Hey, what's up guys, this is Tariq from smartbiketrainers.com. Wahoo claims the Wahoo KICKR 2018 line direct drive trainers are very quiet. So I have the direct drive Wahoo KICKR here and the Wahoo KICKR Core, and I'm going to ride them and let you listen to the noise or lack of. And also I have the 2017 model that I'm also going to ride and let you listen and compare the two and see how much quieter the trainer got. Also, I have the Tacx NEO here. This is the quietest trainer that's been on the market for the past few years. I'm going to ride it and compare it against the 2018 Wahoo KICKR, and just to let you compare the two and see how which one is quiet and if the KICKR is going to dethrone the Tacx NEO from that top spot. So this is how I'm going to run this demo. I'm going to ride the trainer at 20 miles per hour. This is probably the speed that you're going to ride most of the time, whether you are in sim mode or erg mode, and regardless of your watts. And just let that flywheel spin and let you listen to that noise. And then I'm gonna up that speed to 30 miles per hour and let it spin really, really fast, just so you can listen to see how loud the trainer gets. And then I'll compare against the 2017 model and the Tacx NEO and see which one is quieter and the improvement in the sound Wahoo made from the 2017 model to the 2018 model. And just to give you an idea how I am running the test, I have a shotgun mic on the camera. I placed the camera about 4 feet behind the trainer, and I have a Rode mic on it. That's a pretty good mic. I'll link to it in the description below so you see which mic I'm talking about. Also, if you have a headset, put that on. It just makes the audio a lot better, and keep that volume around 70% or so. So enough of me talking, and let's get to riding. So here is the Wahoo KICKR Core. I'm gonna start at 20 miles per hour and let's just listen to the sound. Now I'm going to up it a notch to 30 miles an hour. So that was the Wahoo KICKR Core, and now let's switch over to the Wahoo KICKR 2018 model. Now I'm going to up the speed to 30 miles an hour. So now let's listen to the Wahoo KICKR 2018 model and compare it to the 2017 model. I thought that would give you a better perspective on how the new KICKR sounds. So I'm spinning both at 20 miles an hour right now. So what do you guys think? I personally think they've done a tremendous job with the noise with the 2018 model. I think you'll be very happy with that noise if you're looking for something that is very quiet. Also, DC Rainmaker and GP Llama did a similar kind of video, so I'll link to them in the description below. So check them out just to see the difference and just get a better perspective on how the trainers sound in different rooms and different situations. And I will also have my review of the 2018 KICKR and KICKR Core up pretty soon. I do like to ride the trainers for a while just to get a better feel for them before I post my reviews. So make sure you subscribe. This has been it. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, share it, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.